Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zinhle. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So more videos of Pearl Thusi being mistreated and disrespected by DJ Zinhle and her friends have come out, you guys, particularly that of Musli's birthday weekend. Apparently Musli, Tabzi, and DJ Zinhle are friends, and Pearl Thusi is the odd one out and is being sidelined by the girls, you guys. And judging by another video where Pearl was trying to take a picture of Musli at her birthday party when Tabzi came and took Musli away from Pearl, leaving her all embarrassed by herself, you guys. And also after that party, all the girls went to have a pajama party and Pearl Thusi was not there, you guys. So people were saying that she felt embarrassed and decided not to join the girls as she was clearly being sidelined. So what are your thoughts about this? I could be wrong though. So take a look at these videos and judge for yourself. Do share your thoughts and subscribe if you have not yet done so. So here are the videos.